New data shows a significant drop in Indian tourism to the US this August, down 15% from last year. This decline could cost American businesses an estimated $340 million over the summer as tensions escalate between US President Donald Trump and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi over tariffs, Russian oil, and credit for the India-Pakistan ceasefire. It was the third consecutive month of decline, following an 8% year-over-year drop in June and 6% in July, a period when trade diplomacy between the countries unraveled. The 10% overall drop in Indian tourists over 3 months likely cost the US about $340 million in visitor spending at hotels, restaurants, and other tourism-related businesses, based on calculations from the National Travel and Tourism Office. Trade talks between the US and India have been ongoing for months without a bilateral agreement, but India's chief economist said he expects the US to scrap the 25% penal import tariff on Indian goods and also cut reciprocal tariffs to 10 to 15%, Reuters reported Tuesday. Tensions between the two countries have flared in recent months, with Modi contradicting Trump's claim that the US had brokered a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, and Trump's 25% reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods kicking in alongside a punitive 25% tariff on India for buying Russian oil. 2025 is shaping up to be a very disappointing year for US tourism, a $1.3 trillion industry. Trump's tariffs and immigration policies have turned off international travelers, forcing industry analysts to scuttle their growth forecasts for a projected downturn in revenue $20 billion lower than had been originally estimated. The most notable drop in visitation came from Canada, which delivered 8 straight months of steep declines, but numbers are down from most countries around the world. US tourism officials had expected India to be a particularly safe bet this year. Last year, a record 2.2 million Indians visited the United States, making India the country's 4th largest inbound tourism source after Canada, Mexico, and the United Kingdom, according to NTTO data. For more on this story, check out the article at the link in the description.